Today we're going to Belgium to make Liege waffles. You've probably never made them before because the key ingredient's pretty hard to find.
And that ingredient is this, Belgian pearl sugar. I couldn't find this anywhere, so I had to order it directly from Sauron. It's different from any type of sugar I've seen before. I know it looks like rock candy, but it seems a lot less dense and almost crispy. Now let's make some waffles. Grab yourself a cup of warm milk and then add 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. Stir it up and let it sit for a couple minutes. Now let's add 4 cups of flour, 4 eggs, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, a dash of vanilla, a couple teaspoons of cinnamon, and a generous pinch of salt. Combine all the ingredients together until it forms a dough and then work in 280 grams of softened butter. Cover and let it sit somewhere warm for 1.5 to 2 hours. Once your dough's risen up like this, let's work in a cup of those sugar pearls and don't be afraid to get messy. Cover and let it rise for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now let's separate a ball of dough and get it into the waffle iron. Your edges probably won't be perfect, and that's absolutely okay. Once it's golden brown like this, you're done. As the pearl sugar cooks, it melts and helps caramelize the outside of the waffle and also leaves these perfect little crunchy pockets of sugar throughout the waffle to make these different than anything else you've ever tried. But now it's time to eat. As with any waffle, strawberries and whipped cream reign supreme. But because these waffles are so sweet, I don't think they need any syrup, just a quick dusting of icing sugar for looks. These turned out absolutely incredible. They're like a crossover between traditional waffles and cake in the best way possible. Thanks for watching. Until next time, go cook yourself something good.